This is the last hay baling of the 2024 season for us. This is one field that the army worms didn't get in the last few weeks. It's been a crazy hay season here in Georgia. It was, we had a lot of rain at one time, or we would have went hot and dry for weeks. But we have enough hay in the barn. This hay right here we're making on this last cutting, just pretty much some extra hay. So if we do have a bad winter, I think we have enough hay to make it through. Thanks for everyone for tuning in this summer. We still got a lot more to show this fall. If you hadn't already joined our page, please do so.